Now we need to make the cannons. You need to make the shooter cannons and the wings, the top and tail wings. So for the top wing, I'm using this rectangular sheet of paper. Ideally it can be of any size. It should be a rectangle, and you can decide how much length of the wing you want. So this, if you see here, this fan has a particular length and width, right? Similarly, you can decide how much do you want. So accordingly you can pick the length and width of your particular paper. So this, I'll be folding it so that it can be thick and steady, like this, and then fold it on this side. From here onwards it's very customizable, so you can put the fan or the top wing however you want. You can put the tail wing however you want. Also you can put the cannons however you want. So I am just folding it continuously like this so that it becomes thick and thick, more thick basically. Then again I fold it. I generally keep it of this size, so I'll pick my scissors and cut it. If you can see, this is the size which I am picking it. You can cut it. And then you need to stick this portion so that it doesn't come out. Similarly, you repeat the same for another wing. So we'll stick it like this. So for now, let's keep this aside. Now you need to make the bottom, the back tail, basically this wings or the fan, whatever you call it. So this is of 8x5.8x5. You can again pick it of any size because I'll be anyway cutting it out. These are the leftover pieces which I had already, so I'm reusing them. So you can reuse the same way if you have any leftover pieces. Same way as we did the top wing, we do this back wing. For the back wing, I keep it slightly smaller, so Here I'll do one more fold like this, and then make it even smaller. This looks good. So this you can keep the side wing approximately this much. And then we'll cut it one more time. Okay, so well, you have these two, so let's keep this aside as well. We'll glue all of these together at the end. Now you pick these four small pieces. These will be of size of 8x5 and 5x5. Again, this can be of any size as you wish, because again this will be just rounded and for cannons. You can adjust the thickness according to your wish, and then all you need to do is glue it. And then, depending upon the size of the cannons, if you see, one is slightly bigger than the other, so you can cut it accordingly. So I'm keeping this as the bigger one from here till here. Similarly, you need to make 4 cannons. Alright, now you have 2 wings, 2 tail wings and 4 cannons ready, all glued properly. So let's glue these two to make a X properly at the center, somewhere like this, around at this point. Press it properly. Similarly, you need to do it for this thing. It's a lot of glue. And now let's put the cannons. So here behind the wing you just need to apply the glue. Similarly on this side. And then put these cannons, the big ones, inside like this, and the smaller one outside. This should dry up, it will take some time. Similarly, you do it on this side. look something like this, and at the end you can put our glue somewhere here. Glue it like this, press it properly so that it sticks well, and here it will be difficult because there is no place actually to glue. So what we do is we open this and make another fold. Actually, let's make 2-3 folds like this so that we get some space to apply glue. And now let's apply it here. And we'll keep this here. Press it properly and tightly. And this is the final fighter helicopter. So guys, I hope your helicopter is ready to fly. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment your views about this video, and most important, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest updates. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care guys.